Hello guys, and welcome to Robot Squad. In today's video we are going to discuss about integrating Gmail API with our Python Mails app. Here I have opened the Gmail API documentation. Over here we can set up Gmail API with Python very easily. So before going through this Gmail API, we need to create a project in the Google Cloud Platform. In the Google Cloud Platform, we need to start a new project by clicking this. I have already made a new project, so I don't need to do this. Next, we will search for Gmail API in the API library and then click this. Since I have Gmail API enabled already, it will show manage for me. So I'll just click on this and now it will take me to the page. And now over here, we are going to go to credentials, and then we can already see we have a credential, but if you don't, you need to go to create credential and auth client ID. But before creating the auth client ID, we need to set up the auth consent screen. I have already set it up, and remember the consent screen scope should be mail.google.com. So since we have set up our Gmail API, we can start creating our app. We are going to save this file. Okay, it's downloading. I'm going to go to this and go to downloads. It's downloaded. So this is our client secret file. We are going to get it in VS Code. Just drag and drop it and this. Then we are going to wait it to open. Alright, now we are going to go back to our Python application. It's going to take some time to open it. So till then, let's discuss about the Gmail API. The Gmail API is the API endpoint, REST API endpoint, which allows us to do a lot of things like creating drafts, sending emails, uploading attachments, starting a new thread, creating a new label, and many more things. I surely recommend to go and check out this website. So let's go back into VS Code. Alright, let's set it up. So now we are going to just copy this code sample in this and then paste it in home setup.py. I've already created a virtual environment where I have, so in this virtual environment, first we are going to go into that virtual environment. We need to enable the execution policy, that is set execution policy unrestricted. Now we are going to wait for it to finish. So we are now going to activate our homing mail shell. Slash home mail scripts slash activate. So it's going to take some time, and now we are in the virtual environment. So now we are going to go into cd python mails manager, Right. Cd into PyMails manager. And now we are going to run the code. Now we are going to wait for it to execute. But before running this code, you need to remember to run this. This installs the Google HTTP lib for the API access. Okay, I forgot one thing. We need to rename this, the credentials file, to credentials.json. And now let's rerun this. So let's authorize this, Control C, and then we're going to go and start it in Firefox. We're going to wait for it to load. We're going to click on continue. Okay, no. First we need to change the settings here. I totally forgot about that. You need to change the settings to https mail.google.com. This will give us full access to the Gmail. So I guess we need to rerun this. Oh no. Alright, we need to continue with this setup. And then we need to delete it. Alright. So now we are going to go over. So now we are going to delete this. So it's deleting it. And now we need to rerun this code. It's taking some time to load. Alright. Now we're going to again copy this link, paste it in the continue and allow. And now the authentication flow is completed. So now we are going to again rerun this to see if this works without again me having to set it up. Okay, so it's making me set up again. So let's set up again. So let's start sending emails. Now we're going to sign into the robot squad account. We're going to go to this file, and now let's the first thing is we are going to take all these imported files and paste it over there because we are going to need all of them. Continue, allow, allow. Alright, yes, now it's done. So that's it for this video, or else this video will become very long. We will upload part 2 in a few days, so make sure you're subbed, and thanks for watching. This is your host Ayush, over and out.